Alright, Steve here. In this video we're going to go over how to do quick updates in WordPress. I've logged into an older site that I have that is just basically a test site. I'm not doing much with it, but this is a good tutorial on how to do updates on WordPress. So once you log into the administrator, to the back end, you're going to be taken to the dashboard, and simply you want to click on updates over here. This is the easiest way to see what updates are needed. And then it's going to give you an overview of what updates are needed and what you need to do. It could be plugins, it could be theme updates, it could be the WordPress core needs to be updated. In this case, it looks like I need to update some plugins. So I can do this a couple of different ways. I could do it from here, and I could select all. Or I actually could go over here. You see I need 7 updates. And over here it says 7 next to plugins, so it means I need 7 plugins to be updated. So I'm going to, now that I know that I just have plugins that need to be updated, I'm going to go right here to plugins. And there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can update one at a time, or you can update, you could select here and do it in bulk. You could go ahead and click on bulk. I'm sorry, you could go ahead and click here, it's going to select all, and then you could click on update, and then you could click on apply. So when you're doing any updates in WordPress, I recommend that you do a backup. So this tutorial is really not about backups, but what I would do in this case is I would go ahead and run a backup. So on this blog I have a very basic backup utility installed. I like this one, it's very simple. I select what tables I want to be backed up, and then I have the option to download it to my computer, or I can have it emailed to me. And this particular backup utility, you can schedule it out, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to let you know that your best bet, just to be safe, is before you do any kind of updates, to the theme, to like a major WordPress update, or to plugins, you need to make sure that you do a backup. So let's say that I have backed up and I'm ready to go. I'm going to go back over here to plugins, and I am going to do it in bulk because I know these plugins, I know the site, and I think in this situation we're going to be fine just updating everything in bulk. So I'm going to click select all, I'm going to click on update, and I'm going to click on apply, and then it is going to run through and do the updates. And I'm going to pause the video. It probably won't take very long, but I'm going to pause the video and start when it's done. Okay, so everything has been updated. All the plugins are updated. So now, when I'm on the dashboard, you're not going to see any updates that need to be done. You can click on updates. And as you can see, all the updates have been made. So when you log into the dashboard, there's going to be a little indicator over here by updates. It's going to tell you how many updates need to be made, and you simply click on updates like I did, and then it's going to give you details on what needs to be updated. So make sure you've done the backup and go ahead and run your updates, and then once the updates are done, you can confirm here that nothing else needs to be done. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you just kind of a top level, just a basic overview of how to do updates on WordPress. I hope it was useful for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and internet marketing tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video.